Hello everyone, and a very good evening to all of you, and welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. So in this class, we will be discussing step by step how to fill the CLAT 2023 form. So please watch the entire video. Whatever the instruction I am telling you in this class, it's important. Then only you can proceed. So if I am audible and visible, just write in the comments, yes sir, you're audible, so that we can start our session step by step. Yes, so let's start. In this session, we will be discussing how to apply, then documents required, then the entire 20-step process, whatever the process, what are the documents required to fill the form. Then I'll be explaining step by step and how to avoid common mistakes. So first thing is that I hope you are aware that today, that is 8th August, registration has started, filling of the form and all has started from today onwards, and last day of registration is November 13th. So you have an ample amount of time. So and you can think and then fill the form. You have a good amount of time, and I hope you are aware that examination of CLAT 2023 is going to happen this year only in 18th December 2022. So I think you all are aware of these things. Okay, now first of all, whenever before filling the form, these things you should require. What are the things you require? The first is your photograph, your scanned signature. So what you do is sign on the paper and then take the photo from the mobile phone, and then you can say upload it. Then if you are from a BPL or a caste certificate, if you are from the reserved category, then you need a caste certificate also. Okay, so in general, you are required to have, you can say, you do not require actually class 2 documents, class 12 documents. So you need photograph, scanned signature, and the caste certificate. Now, first thing is how to open the website, which to reach. First thing I'll be telling you is, sometimes what happens is the website of CLAT does not open on one web browser. So let's say you are using the Google Chrome, so it might not be opening on Google Chrome. So you can try some other, let's say Opera or something like this, or Firefox. Sometimes what happens is in mobile it does not open. So you can go and get it open on desktop computer, I mean laptop or a desktop computer. Okay, or you can go get it, you can say with the help of the cyber cafe, nearest cyber cafe. So basically, what you are supposed to do is just go to the Google and search it CLAT. Go to the Google and search CLAT. So once you search CLAT, this will be the first link. Okay. So this is here, it is directly written CLAT 2023. So just click on it. So when you Google search it CLAT, you will get this Google search CLAT 2023. Click on it and you will reach this page. Okay. If you do not get, let's say, CLAT 2023 option, then you can click here, Consortium of NLUs. Once you click on it, so you will get here, and from here you can click on CLAT 2023 to reach here. Okay, so it's either you can go directly or indirectly. So basically, I would suggest just search CLAT in the Google and directly go to the CLAT 2023 link. Click on it, you will reach here. So once you reach here, what you are supposed to do is you have to log in, but you can log in only when you have registered it on this website. So what to do with register? So first, before logging it, you have to register it. So click on here. Are you seeing this? I have highlighted with the red register word. So just click on the register. So once you click on the registration, yes, I have told you you have to register yourself. So once you click on this registration, register, this dialog box will get open. Okay. So when this dialog box gets open, then you have to, yes, we'll be coming to all in one. We'll be discussing each and everything, reservations and all. It will be coming, the domicile and all. So you have to enter your name, your mobile number, your email ID and password, and then confirm password. And you can click on it to register, or you can do some other things. So either you can use this one, or you can click here, activate account. So once you click on activate account, you will get this dialog box. you have to just add your number, mobile number here. So whatever is your mobile number, enter it. And of course, once you have done it, you will get a, of course, you will get a, you can say OTP, you will receive it. Okay, once you have done these form filling and all, so you will get on the same mobile number, you will get this OTP and all. So once you register it, you will get the OTP, then activate account. So click on the activate account. Once you click on the activate account, they'll be asking you a mobile number and they'll send you an OTP. So once they will send you an OTP, enter this OTP here and click on activate, and then you can say your account is activated. So then you are supposed to select for the program for which you apply to. So once you click on activate, then your account is activated. And yes, please remember the login and password, because in future, if you want to open it again, let's say you have registered once. So whatever you have registered with the password, let's say that your password is XYZ. So please remember this password, because maybe you have to open it in the future also. So in that case, you should be knowing your mobile, you should be entering your mobile number and password, and then you can log in. That is how it works. So when you log in, so you will reach it here. Here it is. After doing login, you will reach here. Okay. So, and then they'll be asking you things like, so they will be asking you that which program you are going to attempt for. So it's a UG program or a PG program. It means whether you are interested for 5-year LLB or 1 year. So I think in your case, it is 5-year LLB program. So you have to click on here. This you have to fill it. And these are some of the, I can say, instructions that have been provided. You can see it. Candidates are advised to check full eligibility criteria. You should check your eligibility criteria, whether you are eligible or not, seat, reservation categories and all. These all are mentioned in their websites. And go and read these instructions. Okay, each and every instruction. What is the CLAT score, eligibility criteria, conditions for the subject and all, and individual information about individual NLUs. Okay, so you should go through the e-brochures and all. That is what they have mentioned it. Okay, after that, click here. Click on undergraduate program. Yes, before moving on, guys, everyone, please press the like button, comment, and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel also. Okay, now, so once you have done it, you will reach actually here. So once you click here, undergraduate program here, you will reach here after this, after submitting it. Let's say you click here and apply for CLAT 2023. So we will reach here. And this is the entire form that you are supposed to fill. So they'll be asking you personal information, then communication details, qualifying examination details, preferences, reservation. Okay. No Saksham, if your surname is not mentioned in the 10th and 12th, do not fill it. Whatever is in the class 10th, please fill that name only. Okay. So you will reach here. Now, so here you have to enter your class 10th marks, your name. They have written it as shown in 10 plus 2. So whatever the you can say you have entered in 12th boards name, that name you should fill here. They have written it crystal clear explicitly. Now they are asking for your photograph, so you have to click here, upload, and upload your photograph and signature from here. So you can sign on the paper, take the photo from mobile, and then upload it, right? Then of course you are aware of the date of birth, says the day, month, year. Then select the gender here. Then father's name, you can select on it. 11th class mein tab nahi, if you are in class 12, then you can attempt, of course. Yes. Then mother's name is there. Then nationality. So wherever is mentioned star. So star means it is compulsory. You cannot skip this portion. It is compulsory to fill the option. Okay. Do you want to apply for NRI reservation category? Are you from NRI, OCI or PIO? OCI means overseas citizen of India. PIO means person of Indian origin. NRI means non-resident Indian. If you belong to these categories, then you can fill. Otherwise, no need to. Yes, just say no. Do you want to apply for NRI sponsored category? So there are some NRI seats in some colleges. So that is why they are asking whether you are NRIs and all or not. Yes, Hriday will be coming to that. That you are supposed to do later on. Okay, you are not supposed to right now fill the, again, say the preferences and all. Then after this is done, save as draft and you will move on further. So now you will move to communication details, right? So now they'll be asking about communication details, and here it is, the communication detail. So they'll be asking you about correspondence address. They'll be asking you about your address. So fill the entire address, your state from where you belongs to, the district from your belongs to, the home address, the pin code. Okay, if you do not know the pin code, Google search it, the location where you live, Google search it, you will get the pin code on Google. Then permanent address also. Sometimes correspondence address and permanent address is different. Sometimes it is same. So you can enter the same address, state, pin code, district and all. Then enter your mobile number and all, save as draft, click on it. Then you will move further on, and then qualifying examination details they will be asking. So what do you mean by this? So the next one, first personal information, then communication details, then qualifying examination details. So here it is, qualifying examination details. Qualifying examination you have to fill the board university. So qualifying, let's say 12 pass, the board university, whichever is the board, the state board or the CBSE, ICSE, whatever it is the case. And they'll be asking also, let's say those who are attempting 12th, those who are in 12th class this year, they'll be appearing in 2023 for 12th exam. So for them, they can write appearing, right? If you have passed it, so you can write passed. Then a month passing. Yes, it's better that photo should be of plain background, of course, that's more preferable. Then month of passing, when did you pass this, the 12th examination and all, year of passing. Then the percentage, but since percentage is not compulsory because there is no star mark here, you can see these types of star is not there, so you can skip it because it is optional. You can fill it, you may not. Okay, and they have written that if you are appearing this time, then you can leave the percentage blank. Of course, if you have not attempted, if you are attempting in 2023, so you have not got the result, so in that case you can skip this also. So that is why they have not made it compulsory. आपका एग्जाम नेक्स्ट ईयर होगा आदर्श मलिक. If you are in class 11, 12th, so means you have to attempt for 2024, right? Percentage of 12th class, they're asking about qualifying examination, the 12th. So if you are 12th pass, then you can enter the percentage. If you are going to attempt in 2023 class 12th, then no need to attempt the percentage. The next is test center preference. So they'll be asking about test center preference. Once qualifying examination is done, then you will move to test center preference. So basically they're asking for 3 preferences actually, if you see it carefully. So the one is the first center, first preference, enter the cities accordingly. Then here is the second preference they're asking for, and here's the third preference they're asking for. So enter first, second and third preferences accordingly, and then click on save as draft. After that you will move on to the reservation portion. Okay, now so let's move on to the reservation portion, or step 8. So in as we have already told you that when you are filling the personal information like your name, date of birth, etc., they must have asked you about the categories also, the categories, that all, what is your categories all India level in personal information. They must have asked you here that okay, so you belong to which category at all India level, general, OBC, SC, ST. So if you belong to, let's say the OBC, SC, ST, that yes, they are asking if you are SC, ST or OBC, submit a copy of relevant certificate. So you have to click on it and upload your OBC or caste certificate, what we call it as SC, ST certificate or OBC certificate. You have to upload it. So take the photo with the help of the phone and upload it here. That is what they are saying. Then they are asking about other things also. No, you have to fill all the 3 preferences. Jayashri Dabi, you can see it here. They have mentioned star. A star means it is compulsory. So you have to give all the 3, you can say, preferences. It's not only one. Yes, Reda, we are coming to each and everything. Nahi, Adarsh Malik, it happens only 1 year. So in CLAT happens once in a 1 year. So this time it happened in 2022, but 2023 examination they are taking this year only. But yes, this we are talking about is next year the admission will happen, but they have decided to take this year in December. Generally speaking, it happens only once in a year. Okay, so do not get confused. Okay. Now, since when you were filling the personal information side, they were asking about, you can say, reservation category. So let's say you're all India reservation category, you belong to, let's say, SC, ST or OBC. Then in that case, you have to upload the certificate, caste certificate, at the time of filling the form. Then they'll be asking you if someone is from physically disabled, then yes, he can click on this, that yes, whether the candidate is physically disabled or not. So that needs, of course, doctor's written signature and all, right? That needs to be approved. Yes. Do you qualify under BPL category? So people from BPL, below poverty line category, will also get some benefit. So they are asking here also about below poverty line. Now in general category के लिए there is no caste certificate. So if you are from general category, just click on it and no need to upload any certificate. Okay, it will automatically get against off. Like for example, in this case, if you have attempted general category, they will not be asking for the caste certificate. Okay, yes. Now here they are asking about this. So different universities provide admission under different reservation categories. So there is not a uniform one. It depends upon college to college and all. You have to select the domicile of the particular state. Domicile means where you have been living or where from which state you have attempted class 12 and all. Then if you are from EWS, Jammu and Kashmir migrant, so economically weaker section, I hope you are aware. Those who are from general category but fall under the EWS limit, or that 10% provided. So if you fall in this, you will get the benefit. Then Jammu Kashmir migrant, Jammu Kashmir resident are also, some get in some colleges. Do you want to claim state reservation? They'll be asking about it. Okay, now let's discuss one by one so that it will be easy. Guys, everyone please press the like button, everyone. So yes, they are asking about it. Yes, let's say you opted for SC/ST reservation. So you uploaded the, you can say, your reservation document and all. Or in other case, Jammu Kashmir migrant or something like this. So at the time of admission, you have to show the hard copy, I mean the original copy of it, that yes, this is my caste certificate. Otherwise, they will cancel your admission. That means they will not allow the admission. Twelfth month of passing, they have written it here, everything. If you are attempting in 2023 class 12th, enter as appearing, month of passing as June. Okay. So if you are attempting in 2023 class 12th examination, then here you write appearing, and month of passing you can write June, and here year of passing you will be writing 2023. Okay, is it clear? Hopefully it's crystal clear. Okay, yes. Now the next is they are talking about reservation. So let's talk about reservation now. So different colleges have different reservation. For example, in NLSUI Bangalore, they'll be asking you about, are you a Karnataka student? So if you are a student from Karnataka, then of course you can say they'll be asking you yes or no. If you are from Karnataka, so you can mark yes, otherwise no. Similarly, if you are for the case of Nalsar, Hyderabad, they'll be asking, are you a resident of Telangana? Yes or no. Similarly, NLU Bhopal, they'll be asking you for this also. Preference of NLUs will be later on, not now. You'll have to fill later on. Then yes, in case of NLU Bhopal, they'll be asking about Jammu Kashmir resident. Are you a Jammu Kashmir resident? So they'll give you, they will provide you, you can say, some reservation. Then they'll be asking you, are you a domicile of Madhya Pradesh? Domicile means you are living, you have attempted class 12 from there, you have been living for here and there. You have the domicile certificate of that state. Then you can mark yes. Then West Bengal, National University of Juridical Sciences, Kolkata. And yes, they're asking about the domicile of West Bengal and domicile of Jammu and Kashmir also. No, OBC cannot put EWS. EWS is only for general category. OBC के लिए there is a separate reservation. You can put the OBC in. You should mark OBC in your filling the form. Okay. EWS is only for general category. Those general category who fulfills all those 4 or 5 conditions. Let's say there is one condition is that your parents should be, your family income should be less than 8 lakh per annum. Then there are some other conditions like you should have this much amount of land and all. So if all your conditions are met, then only you will get EWS reserve category from general category, of course. Then in reservation, let's say NLU Jodhpur, they fall as general, they are not giving any other reservation. In Hidayatullah National University Raipur, If let's say if you are a domicile of Chhattisgarh, you can click yes. Ward of Kashmiri migrant, student of Jammu Kashmir. In that case, you can click yes, yes. Then Gujarat National Law University, Gandhinagar. You can click Jammu Kashmir resident from Northeast India, sports quota boys, and then click here for yes also. Okay, these things you can do. EWS की बताए तो there are actually go and Google search it that what are the conditions for economically weaker section. So one of the condition is that your parents' income should be less than 8 lakh per annum. But there are other conditions also. So there is some restriction on land that this much, not more than this much amount of land your family should be owning, something like this. So go and read about it detail. Yes, now let's talk about this one, Ram Manohar Lohia University, Lucknow, RMNLU. So they'll be asking you, of course, whether you are, do you want to claim the state level reservation of UP? Yes or no? Okay. Then sons and daughters of different personnel employed in UP, etc. If you are from this category, or ward of Kashmiri migrant, Kashmiri Pandit, Kashmiri Hindu families, non-migrants, then you can click on it. Okay. Yes, you can go and read about, here it is the PDF documents also there, okay, regarding it. So you can click on it and get to know more about such, you can say in detail, they'll be telling you that in what case, what are the preferences and all. Okay, try to click on it and read about individual that when do you qualify to be the, let's say, to get a state level reservation of UP. When will you qualify? What is the exact definition in this case about domicile? Because different colleges have different rules also. Okay. Then Rajiv Gandhi National Law University, Punjab is there. So you will get some benefit if you are from ancestral resident of village Sodhuwal, Patiala district, wards of Kashmiri migrant, Jammu Kashmir resident. If are you a resident of Punjab? If yes, mark it yes. That is how it works. Yes, there's no question of preferences in form right now. Yes. Then Chanakya Law University, Patna. If you want to claim state level reservation, click on yes. Then similarly, National University of Advanced Legal Studies, Kochi. Then if you are EWS of Kerala and Jammu Kashmir migrants, they have separated it. So whatever you are, you can fill it yes. Then here they are asking, are you a native of Kerala? Similarly, in Odisha, they are asking you, are you a native of Odisha and all. Okay. Then National University of Study NUSRL Ranchi, Jammu Kashmir resident is here. Are you a resident of Jharkhand? If you are a resident of Jharkhand, click yes. If you are a resident of Jammu Kashmir, click yes here. Here, just click on it. Similarly, in Assam case, National Law University and Judicial Academy, just yes if you are from Assam, permanent resident of Assam. Okay. Then DSNLU Vishakhapatnam is there. So they're asking wards of Kashmiri migrants. If you are there, you can click on it, and you can click here also if you are satisfying this condition. Then Tamil Nadu National University, Tiruchirappalli. Again, they're asking of wards of Kashmiri migrant. If you are yes, click on it and click here. Then Maharashtra National Law University, Mumbai. Wards of ex-servicemen, Jammu Kashmir resident, click here yes. Maharashtra National Law University, Nagpur. So click on here yes. Creamy layer, there is a concept of creamy layer. Creamy layer means those who are above 8 lakh per annum, and non-creamy layer means less than 8 lakh per annum. Okay. Pitambar, let's say you are attempting for, let's say, UP. So you search here. Okay. So on the right side of there is a document PDF. Click on it, download it, and they have written in detail of whatever the requirement is for in case of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Huh? So please answer my query. What is your query? I could not see. Yes, Reda, that is what we are saying. Okay, they are asking when you fill the form in the personal information, here they were asking all India category. What is your all India category? Means there is a separate actually reservation idea. At the central level, there are some castes which are according to central government, it is in the OBC list, but may not be in case of state government. So here when you are filling the personal information, enter the all India category. So India level, if your caste comes in OBC, mark OBC. As far as states are concerned, they are separately asking it. In every cases, they are asking it. So if you belong to this, they are asking it. If you belong to West Bengal, if you belong to West Bengal OBC, something like this, right? So that is why they have given separately. Do you want to claim state level reservation of UP? So check it whether in UP you are belong to OBC, SC, ST or something like this. Check it there and then mark it yes or no. If you make any mistake by chance, Zoiba Khan, please you should ensure that a mistake should not happen. Sir, is some W required for? Not now. They are not asking right now. Let's move on. I will keep on answering your questions. And here they are asking. Then these are other ones. Let's say they are asking for Jammu Kashmir resident. If you are domicile of Madhya Pradesh, say yes. National Law University Sonipat, click on it. Yes. Then here you can they're asking for click on I do hereby solve a form, stated form, etc. and all. So submit the form here. That is what they are asking you. So basically, some people are asking, sir, what is the documents required? Hai? So if you see it carefully, these are basically the documents required: photograph, signature, and caste certificate. Okay. So right now, I think they are not asking domicile or class 12 document. So these three you are required. You should have a caste certificate right now, photograph and signature at least. My question about Hriday. What is your question, Hriday? I could not see your question. Okay, now once you are done with it, once you are done with the reservation, click on submit form. Please check it once whether you have committed some mistake or not. Click on submit. Then validate your email ID. So they'll be asking you email ID. So your name, then you can validate your email address. So once you click on validate your email address, they'll be sending you a mail, OTP on your mail, one-time password. Then click on, enter that, here it is your email address. Okay, click on it. Then request OTP is here. Click on request OTP. They'll be sending you OTP. Then click on it, and then once it is done, your you can say email is being verified. Then you will have to do of course payment. So if you are from general, OBC, etc., you will have to pay 4,000. If you are from SC, ST, you have to pay 3,500. Yes, Jayashri Dabi, you need to keep on answering everything like this. Okay, they are asking star. So in everywhere, let's say you are not a resident of Assam. So you have to say it no. Click on it, select and say no. If you are not a resident of Jharkhand, click on it, say no. If you are not a resident of Visakhapatnam, click on it, say no. And let's say, for example, if you are not a Jammu Kashmir resident, do not mark it. Leave this like this. Okay. Okay. Similarly, let's say you are from, you can say, are you a native of Kerala? If you are no, write no. If you are EWS of Kerala, if you are not, leave it. Jammu Kashmir migrant, if you are not, leave it. Do not fill that, can say. Why need to contact NLUs for that? I mean, just fill the form first. Huh? Once you are done with this validate, when you have done this validation or verification of email, now you have to pay it. So 4,000 for general category and SC/ST is 3,500. So for general and OBC it's 4,000 and for SC/ST it's 3,500. So then yes, every is of Rajasthan. Then yes, Jayashree Dabi, then what you are supposed to do is wherever they'll be asking about Rajasthan state, if there is asking anywhere about are you from Rajasthan, then mark yes in any of them. If there is, let's say, Rajasthan mentioned, I could not find, I think, Rajasthan here, but let's say if there is Rajasthan mentioned, then there only you can mark it yes. Otherwise, in all other cases, in domicile, you can mark it no. That is what they are asking. So it's very simple. Do you want to claim state level reservation of Bihar? So first you have to check that are you from Bihar and you are in the reservation category, yes or no. If you are not, then you have to write no. That is very simple. Let's say they are asking here, are you a domicile of Odisha? If you are a domicile, if you are from domicile of Odisha, then mark it yes. If no, then mark it no. Okay, that is how it works. So only Jodhpur is there. Huh? So in case of Jodhpur, where exactly? Yes. In this case, they are not asking for the domicile. So it means you cannot fill anything like domicile. If you are from Rajasthan, you cannot fill because they are not asking it. So it is variable. That is why we told you that colleges are variable. Some colleges are asking too much. Some are not even asking anything. That is what we are saying. Yes, they are asking each and everything detail about all the NLUs at one places, and you have to fill accordingly. That is what we are saying, है ना? नहीं Ayushman, you have to fill only one CLAT form and give the description or detail about it. That yes, in this category, so that once the result comes, it will be easy for them to, you can say, segregate people. That okay, you are from this domicile, and all the things will be done digitally. That is what the idea is. Okay. The next is we are done with it. Validate your email ID. Then you are done with the payment. So they'll be asking you payment. Do you want a previous year question? They ask you previous year question also. They will provide you. Otherwise, you can get it on the Google. No issue. So pay this, confirm payment. Once you are done with the payment, you have done it. Okay. So if you want a previous year question, they'll be providing you for the past 14 years of previous year question at 500 rupees. Otherwise, you can get on internet. No need to spend 4,000 rupees, 500 rupees. Just you can get the CLAT 2020, 21 and 22 paper on Google. Just Google it. Yes. Okay. Then you should have to click on pay now, and then the payment is done. So once the payment is done, please ensure to download it. Okay. So download the question paper, view the receipt. Please download the receipt also. Okay. Yes. Someone was asking about application form, sir. Someone was asking if I commit some mistake, can I correct it? Yes, here is the option, edit application form. So they have written that you can edit the form. You can edit the form until the applications are open. Click on the edit application form button to make changes to your applicable and reservation categories. You cannot change the caste and BPL option after payment is made. Yes, that you have to be very sure about it. That you can edit the things, but you have to ensure that caste, whenever you are filling the caste and BPL categories, you cannot edit later on once you have done payment. Okay. That is what they are asking. Okay. No, every year exam December mein nahi hota, May, June mein generally it happens. But this time they are asking in fact 1 year before, I can say. So this is what some people were asking, sir, if I commit some mistake, yes, you can correct it even if you have done payment. Here it is the form, edit application form. Okay. But if you have filled the wrong caste or BPL category, then you cannot correct it after payment. So make sure that at least your caste and BPL category should be correct before payment. Ensure this. Yes, you can apply. If you are attempting class 12th next year, so just fill in the form. They were asking if just fill appearing, and year of appearing, right, 2023, and month, right, June. Okay. And if you are appearing in next year in class 12, still you can this year in December 2022, the examination is going to happen. This they are asking for actually 2023. This exam is for 2023 admission. So if you are attempting class 12th next year, means board, still you can attempt this year's December exam. Okay. CLAT 2024 notification is not out, so we cannot say anything. Okay, so please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel. Because say they are not asking about preferences of NLUs, that which NLU you will prefer. It means they'll be asking you after the result is out. Okay. And mode of the examination is pen and paper. Means you have to use the pen and paper, it's not online. And these are the participating universities. You can see it, take the screenshot, and these things you all are aware of this. These are the participating universities. So these are the categories of, or you can say cutoff for the last year. You can say NLCA Bangalore 1 to 85 rank. Then Nalsar Hyderabad 8 to 162 rank. Then WBNUJS Kolkata 170 to 257. You can see this, the ranks, that in which category of the ranks you can say people got selected it. CLAT is merit based, of course. Ayushman, it's merit based exam. Yes, you have 120 days. Make them count. Work hard. Yes, guys, we are having a paid classes. We will be having 330 plus recorded videos, 9,000 plus practice question, 200 plus hours of live session. Then you will be provided CLAT Ignite magazine, 45 mock tests. A lot of things will be there. So we have just started our class. Please do join it. That will be very much beneficial for your examination. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Please press the like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.